Salad spinners have become an essential tool in the kitchen, revolutionizing the way we prepare and serve fresh salads. These innovative devices are designed to efficiently remove excess water from freshly washed greens and vegetables, ensuring crisp and dry results. By simply placing the salad ingredients in the spinner and giving it a few spins, the centrifugal force helps to whisk away the water, leaving behind perfectly dry greens. Salad spinners not only save time and effort, but also contribute to maintaining the freshness and quality of the ingredients. With their user-friendly designs and easy-to-clean components, salad spinners have become a must-have for anyone who enjoys fresh and delicious salads. I included all the link in video description below. Now let's get started. Number 5. OXO Little Salad and Herb Spinner, the ultimate tool for effortless salad preparation and herb drying. This compact and efficient spinner is designed to make your kitchen tasks easier and more enjoyable. With a simple press of the soft, non-slip knob, the OXO Little Salad and Herb Spinner quickly and efficiently removes excess moisture from your fresh produce, ensuring crisp and evenly coated salads. Its patented pump mechanism and brake button allow for easy one-handed operation, making it a breeze to use. The clear bowl doubles as a serving dish, saving you time and extra dishes. The OXO Little Salad and Herb Spinner is not just limited to salads. It's also perfect for drying herbs, berries, and other delicate ingredients. The non-slip base keeps the spinner stable, and the lid locks securely for safe and mess-free spinning. The compact size of the spinner makes it easy to store, even in small kitchens. It's also dishwasher safe for quick and convenient cleanup. Upgrade your kitchen with the OXO Little Salad and Herb Spinner and enjoy effortless salad preparation and efficient herb drying with just a few simple spins. Say goodbye to soggy salads and hello to fresh, crisp greens every time. Number 4. Good Cook Touch Salad Spinner, the perfect companion for effortless salad preparation. This innovative salad spinner is designed to make washing and drying salad greens a breeze. With a simple push of the handle, the spinner quickly and effectively removes excess moisture from your greens, ensuring crisp and delicious salads every time. The Good Cook Touch Salad Spinner features a large capacity bowl that can hold plenty of greens, making it ideal for preparing salads for the whole family. The clear lid allows you to monitor the progress while spinning, and the convenient brake button brings the spinner to a stop with ease. The non-slip base keeps the spinner stable during operation, while the compact design makes it easy to store in any kitchen cabinet. Cleaning the Good Cook Touch Salad Spinner is a breeze as all its components are dishwasher safe. This salad spinner is not only practical, but it is also built to last with durable construction. Elevate your salad making experience with the Good Cook Touch Salad Spinner and enjoy perfectly washed and dried greens every time, making healthy eating more convenient and enjoyable. Number 3. OXO Salad Spinner, the ultimate kitchen tool for effortless salad preparation. This versatile and efficient spinner is designed to make washing and drying salad greens a breeze. With a simple push of the soft, non-slip knob, the OXO Salad Spinner quickly and effectively removes excess moisture from your greens, ensuring crisp and delicious salads every time. Its patented pump mechanism and brake button allow for easy one-handed operation, making it convenient and user-friendly. The clear bowl doubles as a serving dish, saving you time and extra dishes. The OXO Salad Spinner is not just limited to salads. It's also perfect for drying herbs, fruits, and vegetables. The non-slip base keeps the spinner stable during use, and the lid locks securely for safe and mess-free spinning. The large capacity bowl can accommodate a generous amount of greens, making it perfect for entertaining or meal prep. Cleaning the OXO Salad Spinner is a breeze as all its components are dishwasher safe. With its durable construction and sleek design, the OXO Salad Spinner is a must-have addition to any kitchen. Elevate your salad-making experience with the OXO Salad Spinner and enjoy fresh, crisp greens with minimal effort and maximum convenience. Number 2. Cuisinart Salad Spinner, the essential kitchen tool for hassle-free salad preparation. This versatile and efficient spinner is designed to make washing and drying salad greens a breeze. With a simple press of the handle, The Cuisinart salad spinner quickly removes excess moisture from your greens, ensuring crisp and perfectly dried salads every time. The spinning mechanism operates smoothly and efficiently, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. The clear bowl allows you to monitor the progress, and the convenient stop button brings the spinner to a halt with ease. The non-slip base keeps the spinner stable during operation, ensuring safety and preventing any accidents. The Cuisinart salad spinner features a large capacity bowl that can hold plenty of greens, making it ideal for preparing salads for a crowd. Its sleek design and compact size make it easy to store, even in smaller kitchens. Cleaning the Cuisinart salad spinner is a breeze as all its components are dishwasher safe. Elevate your salad making experience with the Cuisinart salad spinner and enjoy fresh, vibrant salads with ease and convenience. Simplify your kitchen prep and achieve perfectly dried greens every time with this reliable and efficient salad spinner. Number 1. Silas Swift Dry Salad Spinner, the ultimate kitchen tool for effortlessly drying your fresh greens and vegetables. With its innovative design and superior functionality, this salad spinner will revolutionize your salad preparation. The Swift Dry Salad Spinner features a unique swift action pump mechanism that quickly and efficiently spins away excess water from your salad. Simply place your washed greens in the basket, secure the lid, and pump the handle to start the spinning action. In just seconds, you'll have perfectly dry and crisp salad ready to be enjoyed. The spinner also boasts a large capacity, allowing you to dry a generous amount of salad at once. Its clear bowl doubles as a serving bowl, making it convenient for serving your salad directly from the spinner. The non-slip base ensures stability during operation, while the integrated brake button brings the spinning to a quick stop. Cleaning the Swift Dry Salad Spinner is a breeze too. The basket and bowl are dishwasher safe, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. Its compact design also makes it easy to store, taking up minimal space in your cabinets. Upgrade your salad making routine with the Silas Swift Dry Salad Spinner and enjoy fresh, crisp salads every time. Experience the convenience and efficiency of this must-have kitchen gadget. As we reach the end of this tech-filled journey, we want to extend our heartfelt gratitude to each and every one of you. Your unwavering support has fueled our passion for all things tech, and we're immensely grateful for the vibrant community we've built together. From exploring the latest gadgets to unraveling complex innovations, we hope our tech channel has inspired and informed you along the way. But this is not farewell. It's a mere pause in our quest for knowledge and discovery. The tech world never stands still, and neither do we. So stay tuned for even more exciting content as we dive into the future of technology, exploring the boundless possibilities it holds.